A trip to the Grand Canyon has always been on our bucket list, so we decided it was time to check this one out.
Kind she's in jail. Jail? Yep. She got herself all gussied up last night. She went over to that Red Rover Saloon. She burst through the door. Started taking that dude telling that story. Why not? Well, look around. We got some folks, lots of kids. We got some folks from Ohio. Ohio folks, huh? All right. Well, those nice folks from Ohio probably shouldn't hear that story, but I'll tell you later. It's a good one. Hey, Chus, get your hands up! Come on now, get those hands up. I know it's cold. Hands up! It's hands related, believe me, folks. Come on now, give them up now. Wave them around. Did you bring your piggy bank? Hey, no, bring them back. We don't trust you.
Uh-oh. Well, at least found someone else. Okay.
Yeah, come on man. Look what I got, fellas. I don't know about the rich part, but it certainly nailed the filthy, didn't it? You got your family right over there? You should have something to remember about. We don't know how this is going to turn out. One last family photo, just in case. Ready to the widow.
We traveled to Williams, Arizona to board a train to take us to the Grand Canyon. Before boarding the train, we were treated with some entertainment. Once arriving at the Grand Canyon, we were surprised by blizzard conditions. At times, it was a whiteout and you couldn't see a thing. Our view of the Grand Canyon most of the day. After taking in the sights at the South Rim for as long as we could stand the cold, we decided to go to the Arizona Steakhouse for a bit of lunch and to warm up.
These trails for about 150 years now. And in that time, no guest has ever fallen off a mule into the canyon. I think that's pretty amazing, don't you?
As a surprise for my husband, I booked a sunset tour. And boy am I glad that we did. That was the best weather during our entire time at the Grand Canyon. Our guide was fabulous. He knew a lot about the area, had lots of stories about the Grand Canyon, and was very informative.
The trail ends there, but below that is the Bright Angel Trail. It works its way into that ravine.
We make these videos for 3 reasons. 1, to share with family and friends. 2, to inspire others to travel. And 3, so those unable to travel can see the world through our adventures.
This is called Pipe Creek Vista.
Even though some of the time at the Grand Canyon we were greeted with whiteout conditions, it was still a marvelous trip, and we very much enjoyed the views. We stayed overnight at the Grand Canyon before boarding the train to come home the following day.
That's what it looked like all day, huh?
Yep.
Alright, folks, hands up and good stuff out. This here's a robbery. Much obliged. Hate for this to turn into a bullet train now if y'all catch my drift.
This is what our car looked like when we got back to Williams, Arizona. I put together a little slideshow and hope you enjoy the photos of the Grand Canyon. I think the snow gives it a little extra sparkle. Not that the Grand Canyon needs anything to up its beauty, but the snow did add a glistening touch.